Okay, how many kilometers are in 35 miles? Now, you need to know that 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers. Okay, that is a fact that you need to remember for the exam. And if we know that, we can then scale it either up or down to suit our needs. Now, we need 35 miles, so we need to change 5 miles to 35. Now, think about what we do to 5 to get to 35. Well, 5 goes into 35 7 times, so we're going to times it by 7. So if I'm scaling this up by timesing it by 7, I need to also then scale this up by timesing that by 7, because I'm making the miles 7 times bigger. I need to make the kilometers 7 times bigger. So we get 56 kilometers as our answer. 8 times 7 is 56. Part B, it says, what is the difference in length between 1 mile and 2.4 kilometers? Again, 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers. Now this time I want to change this to 1 mile. Okay, so I need to make it smaller. We need to make it 5 times smaller, so we're going to divide by 5. Okay, 5 miles divided by 5 is 1 mile. Okay, so if I'm dividing this by 5, scaling it down, I also need to divide this by 5. So 8 divided by 5, now you can check that on your calculator. It'll be 1.6 kilometers. Okay, that's what 8 divided by 5 is, 1.6. So we want to know what the difference is between 1.6 kilometers, because that's what 1 mile effectively is, yeah? That's what we worked it out to be, and 2.4 kilometers. What's the difference? Well, you can now, because they're in the same unit, we can take them away and see we've got 0.8. So 2.4 take away 1.6 is 0.8 kilometers. Okay, or you can write it as 800 meters, because there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So 0.8 will be 800 meters. Part C then, it says convert 1 meter squared into centimeter squared. Now you need to be careful here with this, right? 1 meter squared into centimeter squared. What I would do is I would draw a square type shape so that we have an area of 1 meter squared. Obviously not drawn into scale. So if I've got an area of 1 meter squared, think about what creates that area. Well, the only way you can have it is if the length is 1 meter and the width is 1 meter. Okay? Because if the length is 1 and the width is 1, you get 1 times 1, which gives you 1 meter squared. Okay? Now, if I want to work out what this is in centimeter squared, what I can do is redraw this rectangle, but this square, but this time, instead of writing in meters, write in terms of centimeters. Now we know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So the area would be then these two sides times together. Okay, and it's going to be the same as this. The area of this will be the same as this, because this is 1 meter, isn't it? And that is 1 meter. We'll do 100 times 100. So on the calculator, you can do that on the calculator paper. We get 10,000 centimeters squared. So 1 meter squared is 10,000 centimeters squared.